is an earthquake. Picture this. Your house starts to shake. Dishes rattle. It could be an earthquake. Caption: this shows an earthquake in San Francisco. Earthquakes happen all the time. Some are big. Some are little. Big earthquakes are big news. Caption: a large earthquake hit China in 2010. There was an earthquake in Virginia in 2011. Millions of people felt it. Sidebar: understanding the map. The star is the quake center. The circles show where people felt the quake. People close to the star felt it most. Map label: in 2011, a big earthquake hit Japan. It moved the ground 8 feet. Caption: Japan has many earthquakes. Earthquakes often happen along fault lines. Fault lines are deep cracks in the ground. Caption: this is a fault. Picture labels: fault, fault. Big earthquakes hit the Mississippi River. They caused huge waves. Caption: the Mississippi River was once hit by big earthquakes. What causes earthquakes? What causes earthquakes? The surface of Earth is called the crust. The crust is not solid. It is made up of giant pieces. The pieces are called plates. Diagram labels: land, ocean, crust. Caption: the Earth's crust is under the land and oceans. Plates. Earth's plates move. We don't feel it. They slide slowly. They push and pull. They can make rock deep in the earth explode. This causes shock waves. Map: Earth's plates. Map labels: Pacific Plate, North American Plate, South American Plate, African Plate, Eurasian Plate, Indo-Australian Plate, Antarctic Plate. Caption: this map shows the plates that make up Earth's crust. Shockwaves. Shockwaves start underground. The waves start at the focus. They move through the ground. Some shockwaves reach the surface. This causes earthquakes. Diagram labels: epicenter, focus, shockwave. Caption: shock waves move out from the focus. A quake's epicenter is above the focus. The quake is strongest here. Earthquakes happen underwater too. This can cause giant waves. Caption: giant waves can cause lots of damage. Tsunami. Tsunami are giant ocean waves. They can be as tall as buildings when they hit the shore. They are powerful. They can be dangerous. Tsunami waves start small. Near land, they suck up water. This makes them grow taller and wider. A tsunami looks like a giant wall of water. Caption: This is what a tsunami looks like. How strong are earthquakes? Some earthquakes are big, most are small. There will always be earthquakes, but now we know much more about them. Caption: This machine tells how strong an earthquake is. This can make it safer for people. Caption: Long ago in China, people used this. Water came out when the earth shook. It went into a frog's mouth. Glaciers. Glaciers are made of ice, snow, rock, and water. They form on cold mountaintops. The snow piles up. New snow crushes the snow below. The snow below becomes ice. The ice slides down. Slowly, a glacier starts. Caption: Some glaciers look blue. Rivers of ice. Glaciers move. They flow like rivers. The moving ice and rock can change the land. There are glaciers around the world. Most glaciers are high in the mountains. It is cooler there. Caption: This is a glacier. A piece is falling into the ocean. Melting glaciers. Glaciers can melt. Most of the Earth's fresh water is inside glaciers. What if all that ice melted?